Welcome to Schuster Hotel Furnishings. We are a family-owned business now run by myself and my uncle in the fourth generation. Our company has been around since 1923, starting as a small carpentry shop and now employing nearly 100 people. For the past 4 years, we have been operating out of our brand new facility in Bernau in Chiemsee, located right next to the highway. Our product range is very extensive, as we don't just deliver furniture, but also provide complete room concepts for the hospitality industry, starting with the planning phase. This includes public areas, complex counters, and intricate room designs, where we deliver everything from A to Z. In other words, from the flooring to the curtains, everything that belongs to the room is part of our product offering. All of this is done in-house thanks to our own planning team and our in-house interior designers. This allows us to offer a seamless process from planning to installation. Our biggest challenge is meeting the increasing demands of our customers and their guests, ensuring their satisfaction. These demands are becoming more complex and the requirements are growing. That's why imos is a fantastic partner for us, as it allows us to handle complex counters and public areas effectively. We've been working very successfully with imos for the past 15 years.
We use imos CAD/CAM for our production. With it, we create our construction drawings, production lists, and programs. The post-processor controls our CNC machines as well as our edge banding machine. With imos, we achieve significant time savings in construction, derive our parts lists and programs from it, and minimize errors in the process. Here's how it works for us. The customer first interacts with our sales team, after which the architectural drawings are created. We then receive these drawings, design the furniture, and pass everything on to production in a fully automated process. The data catalog allows us to design furniture as uniformly as possible, despite the high level of customization. We make extensive use of the parts lists and exploded drawings generated by imos. These serve as the informational foundation for production and installation. Our production process is highly digitized. We scan barcodes at the machines, which then independently retrieve the programs from the server. Manual interventions are now very rarely needed. We chose imos because we handle large and highly customized projects. The collaboration leaves nothing to be desired. The quality and availability are excellent, and the hotline support is outstanding.
Our product range is very broad, and for that you need good software and skilled employees. Together with imos, we succeed every time in delivering the perfect result for our customers.